Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Massey, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my natural hair care routine for the winter season. It is starting to get cold and my hair does tend to get dry around this time of the year. So I thought, why not share some of my current favorite products that's been keeping my hair hydrated while it's super cold outside, especially if you're on the East Coast. We are going through it. But thankfully, we only have about 2 more months left of this, hopefully by the time I'm posting this, so you can follow along and get with the routine so your hair can be healthy and thriving this summer. I kid you not, my hair is actually very dry right now, and with it being winter, I do have to stay on top of my hair care routine. I can't really slack because if your hair is dry hair can eventually lead up to breakage, and we don't want any of that. I don't know if you can actually hear how dry it is, but it's not supposed to feel like this at all. It's about time to take care of my hair. If you enjoy watching this video at any point, please make sure to leave it with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already to see more of my content. And without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, let me take down this hair. I will be washing and styling my hair in today's video, as well as steaming. And we're definitely going to be steaming my hair first, just to prep my hair for all the hydration that it's about to get. And I also tried Pattern Beauty's steamer a few weeks ago, ended up loving it, and it's just been a gem in my routine, especially for keeping my curls juicy. It's just, I love it. To steam my hair, I am going to be using Pattern's Breakage Barrier Hair Mask. This is what it looks like. It's halfway open because I'm getting ready to use it. I also want to mention that I am steaming my hair before shampooing for lazy purposes or laziness purposes. If I'm being honest, I really don't feel like washing my hair, getting out the shower to steam my hair, and then going back in to condition my hair. And the best thing about this is that we have options when it comes to our routine, because steaming your hair before shampooing is not illegal and it's also allowed, so I'll take it. Mic is on this shirt. If you know, then you know. I'm going to be working in sections, steaming my hair. And here is the steamer right here. I am going to be using the extra piece along with the base here. And I'm just going to plug it in. I did replace the water in the water chamber. I'm just going to pop that in the bottom. Right now it's warming up. Once the blinking stops, that means it's ready to use. I didn't use this in the video that I filmed trying out the steamer, but it did come with its own towel, and I'm definitely going to use it today because it does get slippery after running through your hair with the product and also holding this. So I'm gonna have this towel near me just to give my hair the love that it needs. I'm going to be working in smaller than usual sections, not too big. Wait, that actually hurt. I'm going to be using the mask, applying that to my hair. You can already see the shine in my hair. I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing. I'm also being very generous with the product. I promise you, you're going to see the difference after I start steaming my hair. Look at how the curls are just instantly brought to life. I wish you can feel how soft my hair is. This mask and the steamer, if this isn't a part of your winter hair care routine, I don't know what to tell you, because I'm not even trying to overhype it either. It's just really amazing how it works together. So now I'm twisting up that section, and I'm going to be doing the same process for my whole entire head. I finished steaming my hair. This is what my hair looks like. Some time has passed. I'd definitely say anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. So it is time to rinse out this mask, and by rinse, I mean shampoo and condition my hair. So let's go in the shower to finish this process. I just finished washing my hair. I did use Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and their number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Now, I don't know if I featured any Olaplex products in any of my hair videos, but I do have a history of Olaplex. They're just really expensive. Someone on the team was really kind enough to message me on Instagram asking to restock on any products that I need, because at one point I was using Olaplex and it did help a lot with my curly hair repair journey. Not to mention, their shampoo leaves my hair super hydrated, and as you saw in the shower clips, I don't need a lot of shampoo to get through my whole hair. The shampoo lathers like crazy. It does take a while to rinse out, but it leaves my hair feeling super clean and super moisturized and hydrated. So that's why I chose to use those two products in this routine today. Now we're going to do my favorite thing ever, which is twist my hair. I would like to mention that I rarely wear my hair curly in the wintertime, only because I am an active girly. I am in the gym at least 4 times a week, and I'm not fully comfortable with running on the treadmill and weightlifting with my afro or my natural hair. So that's why I like to wear it in twists. It's easier to style, it's easier to manage, and it's also my favorite hairstyle to retain my length and to help grow my hair. I promise I'm gonna let the fro out all summer, but first I have to take care of it and maintain it. I also been saying that I need a trim for my past I don't know how many videos, but I should be getting my hair trimmed this month, and I am going in for a curly cut finally. That is also a part of maintenance and allowing your hair to flourish during the winter. Make sure you take care of your ends and make sure that they are not dry. I'm going to be using Pattern's Palo Santo Curl Mousse. I've grown a liking to this mousse. It leaves my hair feeling super hydrated and it has so much shine. If you don't know, I am a mousse girly or a foam girly. I love using hair foams to style my hair, and it just does a really good job with keeping my hair moisturized. I feel like I'm saying moisturized and hydrated a lot in this video, but that's what we're going for, especially in this cold. I'm not going to be doing my mini twists. I'm just going to do regular size twists, not making them too small. So that way, when next week comes, it will be easier for me to unravel my twists and do this whole routine all over again. I didn't even show you what my hair looks like after washing it. My hair just feels so nice right now, and it smells amazing. This is my hair before twisting it, and now I'm going to twist my hair. It took me a minute, but I just finished twisting my hair. This is what it looks like, full 360. This is how I'm going to wear my hair throughout the week. Now I'm just going to take my Shark Speed Style Pro Flex blow dryer, hair dryer, and make sure that my hair is dry. I will list some benefits on the screen for you to pause and read as to why it's important to make sure that your hair is dry and that you're not air drying it all the time. But I'm just going to use this on my head for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how long it takes for me to dry my hair. And it is late, leave it up to me to film a hair video at night, but I'm going to sleep on this style and finish up my routine in the morning. It's officially day 2 and my twists are fully dried. This is what they look like after sleeping on them overnight and with all the shrinkage. I don't think it's bad. Shrinkage just means your hair is healthy, so when it looks like this, I really don't mind. I've just learned to embrace it at this point. But now I'm going to be taking my favorite oil from Carol's Daughter. If you haven't seen me use this, I use this almost all the time. I'm just going to oil my scalp, and this oil is also safe enough to use on your strands as well if you want to make them a little bit shinier, even though I think the foam did a pretty good job with letting the twists shine on their own. You let me know what you think. Now that my scalp is all oiled up, I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail, hence another reason why I love doing this protective style on my hair in the winter and overall almost all the time. It's just so much easier to manage, in my opinion, and I literally wouldn't have it any other way, okay? Also, if you haven't seen my hair growth videos, this and having a proper hair care routine has been the reason as to why my hair has been growing at its pace and how it's so long at this point. I can't even make this up. I found a picture of what my hair looked like, I believe late 2023 going into 24, or like end of 2023. One of those years, literally less than 2 years ago, and where my hair is now is just insane. So that has been my winter hair care routine for my natural hair. If you have any questions or concerns about this routine at all, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I also hope it was a routine that is simple enough for you to grasp, and hopefully you can implement some of these things into your own routine so that your curls can flourish. It's 2025 and I've been doing natural hair care for a minute. I just pray that all the girls watching my hair care videos reach all of their hair goals this year, and that they learn to embrace the crown that God has given them, and that you rock your hair with so much confidence this year and for the rest of your years to come. This journey isn't an easy one, so props to you if you're still trying to figure it out. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in my next video, and I hope you take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye.